Is there something that you do that really bothers your wife? After 51 years, there has to be one little something that you are kind of aware of that you do.
I don't know.
Perfect husband.
She mentioned that fart.
She didn't say that one though. She didn't say that for the. No, I didn't make that up. Oh, no, she didn't say that for this question.
Oh, I see. Let's see. Well, there's lots of things, I suppose, maybe that I don't hear it speaking all the time. I'm a little deaf, but that's really just a come on. I'm not really that deaf. I just I don't pay attention to it.
This goal gets 5 points. This man is totally aware that he does not listen to his wife. I have never had anyone get that right. I hear that one almost every week, where a husband does not listen to the wife. Very seldom is he aware of it. Until afterwards. Okay, what do you do that really bothers your wife? Now I know that, you know, you've only been married a short period of time and you're still learning about each other, but there has to be something that she's like going, oh my God, I can't believe you do this.
Something that I do, I would say that she's probably a little bit more aggressive than I am in certain areas, and that I'm not aggressive enough.
You're not aggressive enough. No, what do we have, Karen?
You cut your mustache over the sink and don't clean it up.
So remember, if you're ever at a cocktail party at their house and you see these little trimmings on the sink, she has not corrected him yet. We do not have a match for couple number 1. Okay, now then, what do you do that really irritates your wife after this short time of marriage? What is the one thing that she would say really bothers her?
I throw my clothes on the floor.
Yes, you are a slob. Congratulations, you've got 5 points. Notice how I back away when I call somebody a slob? Okay. Now then. Hey, partner. How does your wife describe you as a lover? As Mel Gibson, who was a very good-looking Australian actor, Speedy Gonzales, who was a very fast rat in the cartoons, or Kermit the Frog, who we all know is faithfully devoted to Miss Piggy?
Oh, Hermit the Frog, I guess.
No! No, your wife thinks much higher of you than that. She said Mel Gibson. We don't have a match. Okay, number 1. What kind of lover are you? Are you like Mel Gibson, Speedy Gonzales, or Kermit the Frog?
I'm gonna definitely have to say Mel Gibson.
Yes, we got Mel Gibson up here on stage. Autographs after the game. Number 2, Mel Gibson, Speedy Gonzales, or Kermit the Frog?
I'd have to say Mel.
Mel Gibson. We've got another match. We've got 5 points for 1, 5 points for 2, and number 3. Are you Mel Gibson? Or are you Speedy Gonzales? Or are you Kermit the Frog?
I'm gonna say Speedy.
Ooh, I'm sorry. Kermit the Frog. I'm afraid, Kermit, you don't get it. Okay, now then. This is just a yes or no question, okay? But this is the bonus question. This question is worth 25 points. So I want you all to, think hard about this. It's a rather personal question, but remember, just yes or no. Number 1, do you use condiments?
No.
No, he does not. Husband number 2, do you use condiments?
On occasion.
Sometimes. Number 3, do you use condiments?
No.
No. No coaxing from the audience. We will ask for kinds later. And wives, hush. Number 2, face front. Husband number 4, do you use condiments?
You'll get old too one of these days. I didn't think it would wear out. It'll get to you.
Should I take that as a no? Okay. This is quite a game, isn't it? Okay. Husband number 1 said, no. Did you ever use condiments?
Well, occasionally I have.
Did you have a favorite kind or a label or something?
I think I like Kraft the best.
Kraft. Kraft, okay. I didn't know they made those. Okay. Husband number 2? Okay. Husband number 3?
Yeah, maybe.
Did you like anything like, I mean, you know, a particular brand name or something? Or, I mean, did you buy like in family size or economy value pack?
She got him.
So your wife does your shopping for you? Okay. So he really didn't have a favorite kind, the wife went shopping for him. Okay, now you, sir. I hate to keep scaring you this way, but what would be your favorite brand if you had used them? Did you use them before?
It's sort of like washing your feet with your socks on. I'm not really no brand at all. My wife used birth control.
Okay. Okay. Okay, husband number 1, you said Kraft. Now then, what is it by Kraft that you prefer more than any other condiment?
The viscosity of it's a little bit thicker, I believe, than some of the other condiments.
But I mean, okay, of each type of condiment.
I'll come up and ask it.
No, you stay there. What do you prefer?
The ribbed condiments.
Karen, are you as confused as I am? Let's go to number 2. Maybe he can break up this icebreaker. What is your favorite kind of condiment?
I don't know. Natural.
I'm real curious about this condiment, okay? I've never had this much trouble getting an answer. What is your favorite condiment? I mean, your very favorite condiment. What do you like more than any others?
I'm like in the natural.
Forget it, number 4. Earlier you said Kraft. Earlier you said, I'm not going to hit you. Earlier you said Kraft. She will. Okay. What is your favorite condiment?
I guess I'll still stay with Kraft. I'm not really sure.
Not brand name, but I mean, like if you had something that you really like to apply, what is your favorite?
You mean the condiments upon request, right? If I'm requesting for a condiment.
Right.
I really don't know what type I would ask for, I guess.
Okay, everybody, we're at a stalemate here, so I've got to tell you something. We've been very mean to you. A condiment is a sandwich spread, or something that you put on your sandwich. Salt, pepper, mustard, mayo, horseradish, A1 steak sauce. A condiment is something like that. What is your favorite condiment?
Well, there again, I said Heinz earlier.
I need like, we don't have a match with Heinz. I'll give you one more chance. It's got to be a substance.
A substance, a certain ketchup.
Ketchup. No, we don't have a match. He said salt. Okay, no match there. Husband number 2. What is your favorite condiment?
Natural ketchup.
I knew it when he said Heinz. You're in trouble. Ketchup, do we have a match? We've got a match. They get 25 points for couple number 2. Husband number 3, what is your favorite? Ketchup. Yes, this man likes ketchup, and he likes them natural, and he likes them ribbed. Okay. Husband number 4, what is your favorite condiment?
Well, I guess it's ketchup.
Ketchup, yes, we've got 25 points going to couple number 4, number 3, and number 2. And we'll hold off just a minute while Karen gives us the totals. Okay. Our winning couple is couple number 4 with 60 points. Couple number 4, take a bow. Give him a kiss. Karen's passing out champagne. Our runners-up is couple number 3, Patty and Marvin with 55 points. In a tie with them is couple number 2, Francesca and Scott at 55 points. And our finalists are Sandy and James at 30 points, couple number 1. Let's have a round of applause for our couples here today on Newlywed, Not So Newlywed. I want to thank you all for sticking around and participating. Go!
Madison, Wisconsin.
Joe from Madison, Wisconsin. Let's hear it for everybody from Wisconsin. Yay! Quiet group. Quality, quiet. And you are? Colleen from Colorado. Thanks, Colleen. Everybody, I want to say thanks again. Don't forget to come this afternoon to Giant Jackpot Show Aldigo. Don't forget to...
If I were not up on the sea, something else I'd rather be. If I were not up on the sea, a sergeant major me. Happy all day long, and this would be my song. Left, right, swing them bloody arms. Oh, left, right, swing them bloody arms. Oh.
If I were not upon the sea, something else I'd rather be. If I were not upon the sea, a blackjack dealer me. Happy all day long, and this would be my song. Hit me here, hit me there, 21 or bust. Hit me here, hit me there, 21 or bust.
Left, right, swing those bloody arms. Oh, left, right, swing those bloody arms. Oh.
If I were not up on the sea, something else I'd rather be. If I were not up on the sea, a tennis player me. Happy all day long, and this would be my song. Balls to you, sir, up and down the court. Balls to you, sir, up and down the court. Balls to you, sir, balls to you, sir.
Flash here, quick flash there, turning. Quick flash here, quick flash there, turning.
Balls to you, sir, up and down the court. Balls to you, sir, up and down the court.
Hit me here, hit me there, turning. Hit me here, hit me
If I were not upon the sea, something else I'd rather be. If I were not upon the sea, an undertaker me. Happy all day long. And this would be my song. I'd close her eyes and lay them out and shove them in a box. Close her eyes and lay them out and shove them in a box. Close her eyes and lay them out and shove them in a box. Close her eyes and lay them out and shove them in a box. Close her eyes and balls up and down the block. Close her eyes and balls up and down the block. Close her eyes and balls up and down the block. Close her eyes and balls up and down the block. Hit me there, hit me there,
Hi there. If I were not upon the sea, something else I'd rather be. If I were not upon the sea, ballerina me, happy all day long. And this would be my song. First position, second position, show my arabesque. Woo! First position, second position, show my arabesque. Woo! First position, second position, show my arabesque. Woo! Show my arabesque. Woo! First position, second position, show my arabesque. Woo! Show my arabesque. Woo! Show my arabesque. Show my arabesque. Woo! Hit me here, hit me there. Show my arabesque. Woo! Hit me here, hit me there. Show my arabesque. Woo!
All right. Wow.
Go! Go! Pop that pop! Come on, drink! Go! Go, guzzle, girls! Go! Go! On your hands, go! 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 Go, hit it! Hit it, come on, drink! I see you drink faster than that in the mermaid! Go! Come on, girl! Just hold it up and take it. Go! We're up to number 3 on the men, we're up to number 3 on the women! Go! Princeton, go! Girls are getting ahead of you guys. Go! You can do it. Come on. Go! I know you can. Go! Guys, we're up to number 5 on the guys. Girls are on number 4. Go! Number 5 girl.
Drink. Oh, God.
I know you worked real hard to get that. Now I know you can drink faster than that. Go, number 6. Guzzle, girl.
Oh, better, Lauren. Yeah, do it. Go.
Number 6, Connie, drink your second beer. Pour it over your head.
Come on, Lauren.
Go, number 6, girl.
Go. Come on, Lauren. I have to just don't get that other one.
Go, number 6 guy, drink down here. Try to get some of it in your mouth. Go, number 5 guy.
Come on,
Lauren, you can do it. Come on, Lauren. Go, Lauren. Lauren's on number 2. Who's next? Wait. He's been rehearsing for years. don't be sick. Go, number 3 guy. Girls, you gotta catch up. Go. Go ahead, break yours. Break yours.
I'm taking my time now.
No, don't drown me.
Come on, go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Girls, you can't let these guys show
I
up.
can't do it.
Okay, girls, down them, all of them.
Let's go. Go.
Okay, I lost control of this. Clarence, who won? Clarence, who won? Hold on, please. Okay, Clarence. Okay, ladies, I'm sorry, but by default, the guys win. It's a sad state of affairs. However, at least one of you ladies has a chance to redeem herself.
Which one is it?
At least one of you ladies has a chance to make it up and prove that you are a winner. This is not Simon Says. Go! Drink, guys, drink. Remember, as soon as you finish your beer, hold it over your head, pour it over the top of your head. Eat the cracker, blow up the balloon, tie the balloon off, and pop it. Go! Come on! Number 1's eating his cracker. Number 4 is eating his cracker. Go! Go! Number 3, eat your cracker. Number 2, eat your cracker. Number 5's eating his cracker. Number 6 is eating his wrapper. Just the cracker, number 6, not the wrapper. Go! Go! Blow that balloon. Blow that balloon. Tie it off. Tie it off. Tie it off. We've got number 1. They're talking. They're trying. They're trying. Come on, number 2. Oh, wait. We have... Hold on. Give him a new balloon, parents. You gotta give him a new balloon. Your balloon didn't pop. Something speared it and you developed a leak. Go. But keep going. Keep going. We've got consolation prizes. We've got consolation prizes. Come on. Okay. Number 2. All right. There's popping going all over the place. Where's your balloon? You didn't pop your balloon. This is gonna be a tough one. Get on top. No, you're flat. Okay, here's our winners right here. Who are you and why are you so good at this?
Ed, I 23 years in Navy. I practice.
Is that what our government dollars are going for? Okay, and you are? Where are you from?
Grand Prairie, Texas.
Grand Prairie, Texas, right outside of Dallas. Yeah, that's where I'm from. Oh, yeah, I am. Okay, now then. Everybody, let's hear a big round of applause for our beer drinkers, our cracker eaters, our balloon blowers, and our wrapper eaters. I've got consolation prizes for the losers. I've got trophies for the winners. Okay, everybody, come on up here and
Yeah. That's right. It was the Yankees in the 50s and the 60s all the way. How many Yankee fans? How many are Yankee fans? How many don't know what you are? Well, 1956, Don Lawson pitched that perfect game right here, and this is where it is. It's where it all happened in the 50s and 60s, and we have a great night for you. And of course, we got a lot of fabulous acts here, and a lot of special guest stars, but one thing I do want to let you know, our bar manager, Raymond, has put together a special drink for tonight, and that's the Kamikaze. Oh, let me tell you, and that's $2 right there at the bar, $2 at the bar, and you can join us and have a good time. All right, everybody, give me a